and a very happy new year to everyone. So I'm back, and we're going to be doing a lot of experimenting the next couple of weeks. And wait a minute, my table was a little bit wobbly. So we're going to be doing a lot of experimenting in the couple of weeks coming up because, wait for it, Vallejo is out of pouring medium. Yes. So I ordered a lot of pouring medium, and then I got the email that they didn't have any. They're on vacation until the 8th of January. When they come back, they're going to make some, and it's going to take a while. So I don't have any. I sold my last bottle to a customer. So what we're going to do now is a lot of experimenting with different sorts of mediums. And, you know, I can't say I'm sorry because I sort of like experimenting and I haven't been doing that for a while. So I thought, well, let's do that. What I have planned for this pour, this is a 30 by 30, and it's all Vallejo paint. This is white, and I have the very, very beautiful dark Prussian blue. I have another blue, and even another blue, and I have some turquoise, which they call teal. We're gonna do this. I'm gonna squirt it into the white with a syringe. Let me get that. Here we go. Oh, first off, what I almost forgot. This is the updated December list, and this is closed. And I'm gonna be coming back in a bit with the draw of the giveaway thing. So this is the updated list as you see it, and then I'll be starting with January tomorrow. So thank you all for helping me keep this channel afloat. And now we're going to do the pour. So I have my syringe, and let's put this away for a bit. Now what I've done differently is I put, as you can see here, I put some tape around the edge. So I have a raised edge, just a little tiny bit, but that is gonna contain the paint because I'm doing pretty, this is pretty thin paint. And I put something in it that I will tell you later if it works. So I'm gonna put the blue in like that. Then again, this is 5 milliliters. That's 2 times 5. Then I'm going to put the turquoise in. Ew, I feel like a nurse in the hospital. Oops, that's not enough. Yep. And as you can see, oops, there's a little bit of a lighting thing going on here. That's better. And we made it through the new year, so there was a lot of fireworks being blown up in the air. My dog was really nervous about it, but we've managed to get through it again. Most of you know that she is a rescue dog from Spain, and she's one of those dogs that they use for the hunt. So I think when she hears those things explode, that she's back in Spain, and she's back with the guy that probably abused her a lot. Oops. Because she is a little bit, you know, afraid of everything, but okay. That's about it. Okay, I think I have enough. This is a full cup. It's 180 milliliters. Here we go. Get you nice in focus. So, oops, should have took that one out. And I'm just gonna pour it on like that and see what happens. See how it stays on the canvas? That is kind of cool. And I'm gonna pour it that way. Making sure the corners are filled. Then down this way. Whoops. Oops, here's the tape is stuck on the canvas a little bit. And down that way. Okay, let's see what this does. I'm gonna torch it. And I had another question about the torch, what I fill it with. I fill it with, I checked it. It's butane. Well, this didn't work like I thought it was gonna work. Too bad for that. So I have to, because I don't like this. This is blah. There are a couple of cells here and there, but you know, it's not something that I'm, you know, very tickled about. Let's see what happens when we do this. Okay, not tickled about that either. So we know we don't have to do that. What I put in the paint was only Vallejo, and it was gloss medium. Now, not gloss medium, a gloss varnish. Here you go. For a background, it wouldn't be bad, but for this, nah, I don't think so. So I'm gonna pour it right into this cup. That looks kind of cool. Oops, now the tape's coming off. Okay, we'll take the tape off. Oh boy. Okay, come on, tape. And that is so slippery when you have these gloves on and they're wet with paint. Okay, we got it. Okay, now that didn't work, so, but we still can save this painting because we don't stop, right? We never give up. So what I'm gonna do is get some, let's see where it is. I have a little bit of the silicone, and we're gonna put it in the leftover paint I have. And we're gonna stir it up. And now I'm going to pour it all into one cup. still have a lot of nice dark blue, which I'm gonna pour in from up high and up low. That's that. And the last of the turquoise. That's it. And now we're just gonna splash it all over the place. Let's see what happens. That is kind of cool. Ooh. That I really did like. Let's make it go over. And that way. But we do want to keep that thing that I just made there. And down here. Right over the edge. And I want this bigger now, because that's going to be the part of the painting that is the prettiest. Okay, that's it. Now I got tape stuck on my gloves. Okay. And we're gonna torch it. Now those are nice cells. And maybe just, I'm gonna torch just this, the bit that's most interesting. Maybe not torch the whole thing. That's kind of, here are the cells. And then we don't have cells around here. That's kind of cool. I'll give it a little close up. I think I can live with this one. Not that I'm saying it's totally awesome, but, well, not too bad, right? Now, I'd like to do something with it, and I will. And I'm going to use white because I want some more white in there. So that's it. And I'll take a new syringe. Here we go. And we're going to come in. That's kind of cool. That really is cool. I like that. That's a lot of bubbles. Let's see. Just making those bubbles burst. And that is a kind of, that's nice. But you can't reproduce that. I don't think you can. Oh, wait a minute. What about if we put some, nah, let's not do that. I was thinking dishwashing soap to make some bubbles, because that's kind of cool, that, you know, the little bubble thing. Let me get you in close. Let's see, there you are. See that bit there? That's kind of cool. That really is. I kind of like that. Let's see if we can reproduce that. I'm thinking, you know, if I were to pull in some of that paint and then pull it out. Oh yeah. Okay, let's do this one more time. Now they were too big. But that is a different effect. So that's kind of something that ooh, what's happened with the, sorry about that. But it does give a little effect, but not exactly what I was going for. Not totally awesome. Okay, let's see what we're gonna do now. I see this paint just sinking to the bottom really fast. And I'm gonna give it a swipe right down here. Like that. Now it's really different. But still not something that I'm really totally, that I think is really cool. We'll see. I think I'll just leave it like this. I don't think it's going to get any better with anything I'm going to do with it. And I don't even think it's glitter worthy. Okay. Okay guys, I'm gonna clean this mess up. I'm gonna do the draw, the giveaway thing. And I'll see how this dries. You know, you might just be surprised how something like this is gonna dry up. Might be pretty, who knows. And it might just crack all over the place because I used varnish instead of pouring medium. So a little recap, this is Vallejo paint with gloss varnish, no pouring medium. So we'll just see how this dries, and this is just an experiment. I have had a couple of people asking me to pour with varnish. So when it's dry, we'll know exactly what it does, if it cracks, whatever. And, well, we'll just put a little notch at the experiments that we're going to do. So thanks all for watching. Love you all to pieces. See you in 5 minutes.